What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we're taking a look at a magnifying clamp light. It has 10 levels of brightness, super bright LED lighting, sturdy and stable designs, and powerful magnification. Now this runs on USB, so it's very easy to power, and it's going to have not only the magnifying glass but a light and a clamp built in to give you all that articulation from left to right. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I've got my handy dandy neck mount on here, so hopefully it'll give us some good views. Let's go ahead and open this up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. So it says versatile, 10x and 5x magnification, adjustable swing arm designed for versatility, enhanced touch control panel with 5 key touch controls, so 5 light modes and brightness adjustment. That's pretty cool. And stable and flexible clamp with 360 rotating, so it can rotate in 360 degrees. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, I open it up upside down. All right, so we're just gonna pull this open here. We've got a microfiber cloth here to keep it clean. We have the instruction manual with the voltage information and all that. Simple 5-volt USB, nothing too crazy. A little thank you card from nakus.com. And then let's go ahead and see what the magnifying glass itself looks like. So we do have some tightening hardware to go ahead and tighten, I assume, the swing arm here. And if you want to mount the arm underneath your desk, for example, you can actually screw this in and just have it there permanently. That way you don't have to use the actual clamp. That's kind of cool that they give that as an option. We have a standard 5-volt charger here, USB-A. We've got a pretty long cable for what it is. It's expected to be near the rest of your devices. And then we've got the clamp itself. Actually, heavy metal clamp. That's actually nice to see. It's not plastic or anything. And let's go ahead and move this away. All right, so we're back at the main desk. Let's go ahead and open this up. It rotates, so it articulates quite a few different ways. So let's go ahead and tighten this a little bit. Now we're actually going to use this part here to choose where we're going to mount it. So I'm probably going to have it on the back here. So let's go ahead and grab these screws and stick that on. All right, so now that's there. I'm going to go ahead and clamp this onto my desk. So we're just going to unscrew it enough to give it enough room for the desk right in between. Really, really easy. And then once there's enough room, we're just going to go ahead and tighten that on. All right, so now, very minimalist, very out of the way, we have a mount here. Whenever we want to use this, all we do is we drop it into the mount. And just like that, we have a very easy way to have a magnifying glass while we're working on anything it happens to be. In my case, it's going to be small electronics, but it might be sewing, it might be soldering, it might be whatever it happens to be. This is going to be a great way to use magnification. And again, it does have that 5 and 10 times magnification there as well. But let's go ahead and plug this in and see what the light can do. All right, so I've got a battery pack from Goodass. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And just like that, we have power. If I turn it on, we have light. So very nice. What kind of options do we have here? We have power, we have brightness controls. So we can lower the brightness or raise the brightness. Very nice. We can switch the light color, so the temperature of the light, and we can turn it on or off. And again, this rotates in all directions, has a lot of range of motion here. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool addition if you do a lot of work on maybe models or figures or electronics or things like that. This is going to be right up your alley. I'll put a link to this in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.